Never happened in GopherCon Live. That's the first time. Yay! Welcome in this new vlog. I'm currently in Seattle and I'm at the Seattle Convention Center. I'm gonna grab my badge for GopherCon. I've been preparing for a workshop and a talk, so let's go. Yay! Add to your work. Cutie, I'm so excited. So I just saw where is the room for the workshop, so it's gonna be there. It's a small room, of course, but I mean, that's already so big to give a workshop at GopherCon. I'm very excited. So yeah, let's go. Let's go have lunch. Tomorrow I'm giving a workshop, so it's gonna be my second time. My first time didn't go as I wanted, and I improved the content and the way I'm gonna do the workshop. I also have a colleague doing co-instructor with me, so I have more confidence. And after tomorrow, I'm giving a talk that I'm still working on. So the truth is that I'm in a rush. It's like GopherCon tomorrow and I'm still working on slides and I feel very nervous. But here I am. I feel confident that I'm gonna crush and I'm gonna put a lot of efforts in making content that resonate with people and that are gonna learn things. I'm getting you for GopherCon.
Interactive, and the people that want to go fast, they can go fast.
No, yeah, but it's hard to focus when someone's talking about something else.
Yeah, that's what Rafael told me, but I feel like, no, I don't know.
Really good HP for wine service. Okay. And you get like.
This is the afternoon after the workshop. We had really great feedback and I was very, very excited about like the fact that people learn stuff. Now I'm working around, checking on people, and I'm gonna go back, work on my slides, and that's it. Good morning, everyone. This is the day of my talk at GopherCon. Finally coming. I can't wait to be done. It has been so much work and not a lot of sleep, as you can see. So today we're gonna crush. We have to. We're gonna talk about observability of application, of Go programs, especially about eBPF. And I was talking yesterday to Derek, who is a maintainer of Delve. Okay, technical details, but someone that has been in the debugging world for a while. So he was very exciting about eBPF and how he can improve currently the program he's working on with more eBPF aspects and hooks. So I feel like some people are excited. I hope they're not going to be disappointed and learn stuff, but I feel like that kind of people might not learned much since they know a little. Okay. So yeah, I feel like an imposter again. I feel like I don't know why I'm giving a talk there, but I'm gonna do it and it's gonna be fine. Let's prep.
Good morning, Gophers. Welcome everybody to the Emerald City
building. The Seattle Fire Department has been notified.
Never happened in
While this
GopherCon
is
Live.
being
That's the
verified,
first time.
Please leave the building.
Never. No.
Yeah.
They're so mad about Go 2 not coming out.
That was that.
Is about accelerating the developer loop, building the surfaces, tools, and bumpers that allow AI code.
One talk, and after it's gonna be me, and I'm very excited and I feel very confident. We gotta crush that on stage.
perspective. Everybody please give a warm welcome to Donia Shah.
Hello everyone, I'm very excited to be back on stage at GopherCon to talk about my two favorite topics, which are Go and eBPF. And I'm going to go more into details about these CVPs, but we're going to observe the Go code from the code to the kernel. I'm Donia Shah. I'm a software engineer at ISO1 and at Cisco, and I'm also part of the community team on the open source side. What the partial code here was okay, I'm not going to go into details of what it's saying. I'm going to show you. The conclusion here is to say that I have a CPU problem. And to do that, and to investigate the why, what's happening in my CPU and my scheduler, I'm going to use the technology called eBPF. Thank you a lot. You can check the demo if you have any questions or feedback, of course. Thank you.
Taking some fresh air. I gave my talk this morning and I'm really happy of it. It turned out well. People are giving good feedback, they're learning things. So I feel like I did a good job. That feels good. I'm gonna enjoy a little bit more the conference and then I'm gonna go visit a little bit because I've been working so hard that I didn't visit anything. So I'm gonna try to enjoy a little bit. That's it. Yeah, I can hold.
You have to sit down. I only have a little time on the mic. Odd. Here, sit down and speak to them. You'll understand. Cut. Then.
Also put instructions because you never know. People's first time with the tap.
I got some cool stickers and goodies. I've been talking to amazing people. You've seen some footages of me recording crazy things with run events. And now I'm heading to my hotel. I'm gonna go visit the waterfall. So I'm taking you.